I think this is the sickest box.
Introducing 2 grams HHC, HHCP. Liquid diamonds, the #1 moving thing in our entire store. You guys love the liquid diamonds. We're busting out about 20 more flavors.
Yeah, the other day, me and Thomas sat down and we went through tons of flavors to try and pick for you guys. Now we have to match those flavors. It's gonna take a little while, but we will.
So here we go, guys. As always, raised printing.
I think this is the sickest box we made.
This is a nice color. It is a nice color.
The colorway is
Look at the fair.
It's incredible.
I love this. This is it. This is the cotton candy liquid diamonds pen.